Hey, welcome back to BISP Solutions. If you're here to level up your Oracle EPM skills, you're in exactly the right place. In today's video, standard versus overhead cost. We cover the business problem, the financial logic, the complete Calc script, and then the same solution rebuilt as a dynamic Groovy script. Two approaches, one problem. Let's go. Before we start building the calculations and writing the scripts, let's first understand the business requirement and the costing problem we are trying to solve inside planning. In this example, a manufacturing company that produces some products. The business wants to analyze standard manufacturing cost, actual manufacturing cost, manufacturing variance, and finally the overall manufacturing profit. The main objective is to compare what the manufacturing cost should have been versus what it actually became during production. Let's understand the business flow first. The company has a sales value of 5,000. From that sales amount, manufacturing cost, which is 3,000, is deducted to calculate the final manufacturing profit. Now, the manufacturing cost itself is divided into three major components: material cost 1,000, labor cost 1,000, and overhead cost 1,000. And overhead is further divided into fixed overhead 500 and variable overhead 500, which is subject to output. So this gives us a complete manufacturing costing structure. Now let's understand how the material cost is calculated. I have defined some standard manufacturing assumptions. These assumptions include manufacturing output, material per unit, rate per kg, and manual adjustments. Using these inputs, we calculate the total material expense. The formula is very straightforward. First, we calculate the total material quantity, manufacturing output multiplied by material per unit. And then, total material quantity multiplied by rate per kg gives us the total material expense. Now, the important part of this requirement is the comparison between standard cost and actual cost. So, we will be taking two scenarios, that is standard and actual. The standard scenario stores the expected or benchmark manufacturing cost. The actual scenario stores the real production values coming from operations. Then we will calculate the variance. Example, under the standard scenario, output is 4,000 units. Material usage is 2 kg per unit. Rate is $12 per kg. So to calculate total material quantity, we multiply output with material per unit. We get total quantity, which is $8,000. Then by total quantity with rate, we get material expense equal to $96,000. But in the actual production, rate dropped from $12 to $10. A manual adjustment of $500 was added. So the actual material expense became $85,000. Now we calculate the variance between these two values. The direct material cost variance is 96,000 minus 85,000 equals 11,000. This variance can further analyzed into two categories: quantity variance and rate variance. Quantity variance measures the impact caused by change in material consumption quantity. Rate variance measures the impact caused by change in material rate. So we can calculate the direct material cost variance with formula standard quantity minus actual quantity multiplied by standard rate minus actual rate multiplied by actual quantity. This helps the finance and manufacturing teams identify whether the cost difference happened because of inefficient consumption or because of pricing changes. In this tutorial, we will implement this entire logic inside planning. First, we will build the calculation using a traditional S-based calc script approach. Then, we will implement the same requirement using a Groovy rule and data form to show how Groovy provides more flexibility and dynamic calculations inside planning applications. So now that we understand the business requirement and the costing flow, let's move to the application structure and review the accounts and scenarios created for this solution. Example, Pass 1 fix, MFG standard and MFG actual listed together, FY25, Jan, 222, tablets. Both scenarios calculated in a single pass. Line 1, total material, output times material per unit plus adjustment. Brackets ensure multiplication first, then addition. Standard 8,000, actual 8,500. Line 2, total material expense equals to rate per kg times total material. Standard becomes 12 into 8,000 equals 96,000 and actual is 10 into 8,500 equals 85,000. Next, we move to the variance calculation section. Fix no scenario specified, runs across all three. Member block on total material expense scopes variance to that account. Part 1. Quantity variance. Standard total material minus actual total material times standard rate. Part 2. Rate variance. Standard rate minus actual rate times actual total material. We add both the parts to get the variance, that is minus 6,000 plus 17,000 equals to 11,000. Pass 3, we fix MFG standard only. Manufacturing profit equals to manufacturing sales minus manufacturing cost. That is 98,600 minus 96,600 equals to 2,000. Here is the Smart View output after successfully running the Calc script. The Calc script works perfectly, but scenario names are hard-coded. The Groovy script detects which scenario the user edited and dynamically builds the fix to match. Smarter, more responsive, more efficient. Same output, different approach. Step 1. Def grid equals operation.grid gets the current data form. Step 2. Data cell iterator filters only edited cells. For each edited cell, extract the scenario member name. If user edited MFG underscore standard, edited scenario contains MFG underscore standard. The script knows exactly what was changed. Step 3. Safety check. If no edited cells found, print message and return. Always include safety checks in Groovy scripts. They prevent silent failures and wasted processing. Step 4. CSC params converts edited scenario to fix compatible string. CSC params.grid.pov converts form POV, FY25 Jan 222-tablets to POV fix string. Two dynamic parameters built automatically from user context. No hard coding, no manual input. Step 5. Calc script string built with $brace injection. $POV fix injects FY25 Jan 222-tablets. $scenario fix injects only the edited scenario. First fix POV plus edited scenario only. Second fix POV only. Variance needs both scenarios. If user edited MFG standard, only standard recalculates. Targeted, efficient, intelligent. Step 6. Println prints generated script to log for debugging. GetCube gets plan1 cube reference. Execute Calc script fires the dynamic script. Same output as Calc script. Same 11,000 variants, but driven by what the user edited, not hard-coded names. Manufacturing expense across 3 scenarios. For standard scenario, manufacturing output is 4,000, rate 12, adjustment 0, total material equals 8,000, and total material expense 96,000. For actual scenario, rate is 10, adjustment is 500, total material equals 8,500, and total material expense equals 85,000. And finally, the variance for total material expense is 11,000. All confirmed. Hit like. Helps BISP solutions reach more EPM professionals. Comment, which approach do you prefer, Calc script or Groovy script? Join the BISP solutions community for real Oracle EPM challenges, broken down simply. See you in the next one.